Formal lang sinimulan ng BPO company na Cloudstaff ang kanilang annual sports festival sa Angeles City matapos magbigay ng big-time bonus sa unang quarter ng taon sa pamamagitan ng kanilang Investors Club. Bit-bit ang temang Power Play, sabay-sabay na binuksan ng Sports Fest sa iba't ibang lokasyon sa Clark, sa Makati, Ortigas, Cebu, Davao, Baguio at Bacolod upang makipagtagisan sa iba't ibang laro tulad ng basketball, volleyball, badminton, pickleball, table tennis, chess at Mobile Legends.
Celebration that Cloudstaff do. It's an opportunity to really come together, Cloudstaffers, families and friends. It's our way of strengthening the community that we have.
Magkakaroon ng sabay-sabay na competition sa bawat site kung saan kanya-kanyang laban ang mga empleyado depende sa kanilang location.
As for me, working from home, I really need this kind of event not to socialize with our other cloud staffer, and also for our physical fitness. We also practice the work-life balance in our organization, so we really appreciate this kind of event.
Magsisimula ang Sports Fest sa May 2 at magtatapos sa closing ceremonies sa June 20. Ayon sa kumpanya, bahagi ito ng kanilang people-centered vision kung saan hindi lang empleyado kundi pati pamilya at mga anak ay iniimbitahang makilahok at makisaya.
Of course, this is work-life balance for us, and this is something that we also value. Not all company allows their employees to bring in their families and friends with them. And this is just one of the many events we're holding that it's open. I brought my daughter today and she's having fun right there.
Sa ilalim ng kanilang number 1 workplace philosophy, layunin ng Cloudstaff na i-promote ang work-life balance at palakasin ang camaraderie sa hanay ng kanilang workforce. Kinilala rin ang Cloudstaff ng HR Asia bilang isa sa best companies to work for in Asia sa loob ng 4 na magkakasunod na taon. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.